All right, guys, so we're gonna, in these next few videos, we're gonna be going into the register on the Clover station. Again, all these steps are the same for any of the devices. So first, we're gonna get into how to access the register settings and make some changes to your register. First, obviously, you wanna go into the register app, which is usually placed on these bigger app icons here. So go ahead and select register. So this is the home screen where you have your categories listed on the left and your items on the right. But let's get into the settings. So like always, you're gonna select the hamburger menu on the top left of the screen, located right here. And then you're gonna select settings. So you can see there's multiple settings here, like enabling order notes, remaining category after adding an item. So basically what remaining category after adding an item means is you select a category, you select an item, it won't reset you back to like your first category. It will have you stay within that category to add other items within that category, if that makes sense. Then you have group identical items into one line, enable fast cache, enable quantity bar on items, enable manual removal of taxes. So if some items are like tax exempt, so for example, if you're a hair salon, the service, there can't be taxes. But if you sell shampoo bottles, those are taxed. So you're gonna wanna remove the tax on the actual hair service, add the tax to the actual item. And then of course you have your register display where you can change how your register looks. Where in this one with the categories on the left, items on the right, or you can just do a main category view where all your categories are listed here and you'd have to select on the category to see the items. My personal favorite's this one, so I'm gonna keep it like that. All right, guys, here's how you do a split payment on the register app on the Clover device. So you can see here I already selected a bunch of items. Total is $21.96. Go ahead and select pay. Now, this is your usual pay screen where you would select your cash or go ahead and put the card in the chip reader. Don't do that yet. Now, there's two ways that you can do it. You can split right here in 2 ways, 3 ways, 4, 5, 6, or custom. So if it's like a bunch of people, you can do 10, for example, right? So you can do like this person pays $10. You would put the card in the chip reader, so on and so forth. Now, let's say that they want to split by items. So let's say you don't have the Clover Dining app and you're with your friend AJ and Mike. They go out to eat. You can simply split by items. So now this is AJ's turn. So I'm getting ready to pay. I got the cheeseburger and the plain slice. So I'm gonna select those 2 items. I'm gonna select next. And I'm gonna put my card in the chip reader. Once that transaction is completed, it will take you back to the remaining items. You select the remaining items and follow these exact same steps. All right, guys, here's how you add a custom modifier on the Clover devices. Basically what a custom modifier is a modifier that you don't have preset in your inventory. So if your customer has a weird request, let's say they want a cheeseburger, but they want 2 pieces of lettuce on there, for example. You would just see here on the bottom left, it says custom modifier. Go ahead and select that and you can just start typing. So 2 lettuce, right? Hit the green check right here to complete that. Hit done. Now you can see on the bottom left, cheeseburger and then 2 lettuce. That's exactly how it will print out to the kitchen so your cooks know how to make the burger for the customer to ensure a great customer experience. All right, guys, so on the register app, here is a walkthrough of items with modifiers. So let's say you're a burger joint and you sell burgers. Let's go ahead and select cheeseburgers. Now, first thing that's gonna pop up is the temperature of the burger. Let's say it's medium rare, the only true way to eat a burger. Now, you pick up to 3 sides. So let's say they want fries and onions. You can see they're selected by them being grayed out. The white is unselected. Once you're done, select done. And that's how you add modifiers to an item. All right, guys, so this is how you search for an item without clicking through all the categories and searching and looking. This is really helpful when you first get the system. If you don't remember where everything is, just like right off the top of your head, it's always good, or if you just have a bigger menu entirely, it's always good just to search for items, especially for quick transactions. So let's say this person wanted a plain slice, don't want to go through the bother of clicking through everything. You could just type in here, plain slice, boom, pops right up. As soon as you click it, it adds it right into the order. Simple and easy. Let's say it's roses. 12, 1, 2, let's say 3 roses. You select it, boom, it goes right into the current order and tallies up the total. All right, guys, here's a quick way to access your orders from the register. So let's say you're in the middle of making an order, but somebody behind that person has a question. For whatever reason, you need to get to the order apps quickly. Hit the hamburger menu on the top left. You're gonna go right into orders, and I'll lead you, boom, right into orders.